Hello friends, good morning. I'm cooking bilo-bilo. It's undas. So I have here my oh my god. I have here my sugar and coconut, and this is my rice, glutinous rice. Putting my rice now. It's undas, it's just a tradition. This is it now. It needs until it will dry up. I think I put early. Okay, this is my favorite kakanin from Philippines that we cook every All Saints Day with my sisters. So in Kiwa, we call it in Kiwa in our dialect. So yeah, that's why I tried to cook also this undas para meron ding tradition. And I have time, that's why. Oh, in the Philippines before, it's very hard to cook like this because it's you have to pick coconut, dried coconut from the tree, and then peel it off, and then you have to grate them and